Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing infographic in PowerPoint. So tag along and watch the video till end. But first of all, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon and like this video. By the way, you can also download this template for free from the link in the description below, and it's completely for free. So let's start. The first thing you're going to do is open up a blank slide and go to Insert tab and Shapes and insert a circle. And you're going to increase its size and put it into the center and the middle of the template. And you're going to go to Format Shape and remove its outline and you're going to give it a white color. Go to Shadow and you're going to give it this shadow. Increase its shadow size. What you have to do is also increase its blur to make it look less shadowy. You're also gonna increase the size and distance, and here is what you have to do. So you're gonna select it and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D, and you're gonna increase that size to about 2 times the first circle, and you're gonna send it to the back. Go to Format Shape and remove its shadow, and you're gonna give it no fill, and you're gonna give it a line of gray color. You're gonna increase its p.t to about 3. But let's see, yeah. So what you're gonna do is give it a dotted line, and you're gonna close the Format Shape panel. You're gonna go to Insert tab and insert a text box in which you're gonna write your text and change its font and increase its size and put it into the center of the circle. Let's increase its size and adjust the text box. And the next thing you're gonna do is insert another text box in which you're gonna add your subtitle and any other content that you want to add. I'm also gonna put it right here below the first text box, and this is how it looks. Go to Insert tab and Shapes and insert a rounded corner rectangle and make it fully rounded. And you're going to decrease its height and width as I have done. And you're going to place it right here, remove its outline and press Ctrl plus D about 4 times to duplicate it. Settle all of these in the middle and change each of its color. You're going to insert circles and you're going to group them along with these rounded cornered rectangles. Select each of them and you're going to press Ctrl plus D, which is the shortcut of grouping a shape, and this is how it looks. You're going to select all of them and move them into the center. The next thing you're going to do is go to Icons in the Insert tab and insert some cool 5 icons from here. So let's check out some icons. So I'm gonna use this one and this one too. And so there are a total of 5 icons. Let's decrease their size and change their color to white and put them onto this shape. We're going to put each of them into the center of each of the circle. Be sure to put them in same alignment or the result will be not really perfect. So let's adjust it. You can use grid lines if you want to put them into the complete center. But for now, to make it quick, I'm just going to put them inside. And the next thing you're going to do is go to Insert tab and insert a text box in which you're going to add letter 1. And what you're going to do is increase its size and change its font and change its color to white. And put it onto the right side of the rounded corner rectangle. You're going to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and place each of them in each of the rounded cornered rectangle and change their numbers to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is how it looks right now. Go to Insert tab and you're going to insert another text box in which you're going to add your title for these infographic shapes. You're going to change its color to white and you're going to put it into the center. The next thing you're going to do is insert your content text. Let me just decrease its size. That it is really nice to put it into the shapes. So let's make it space for some of these. What we're gonna do next is decrease their size and put them into the center just below the title, and select both of them and duplicate them by pressing Ctrl plus D. You're going to duplicate them again and again by pressing Ctrl plus D and put each of them in each of the shapes. Next, you're going to insert a small circle and put it right here. Remove its outline, duplicate it, and place it right here in a specific pattern. And you're going to duplicate it about 5 times, one for each of the rounded cornered shape. Duplicate these as well, and I'm going to adjust their sizes and to align them. Here you go. Select each of them and change their color. But be sure to use the same colors as you have done for the rounded cornered rectangle and the other shapes. Go to Insert tab and insert a straight line. Go to Shape Outline and change its color and increase its weight as well. You're going to put it right here and you're going to place it right here like this in this pattern. So what you're going to do is duplicate it again and again and place each of them in each of the circles like this. So I have completed it all, and the last step is to give animations to all of these shapes. So first of all, you're going to select this large circle and go to Animations tab, and let's open this, and we're gonna give it a zoom animation. And for the outline, we're also gonna do the same, and for the text, let me select all of them and give them fly and animation, but let's change the direction from the left. And for these lines, let me just first of all group each of them by pressing Ctrl plus D. And then for these small circles, I'm going to select all of these. And then I'm going to give them this animation, and I'm going to use animation painter, and for each of the lines I'm going to give them wipe animation but from the left direction. I'm going to use animation painter to first select that shape that of which animation we want to give to the other shape too, and for these rounded corner rectangles, let's give them the same animation of lion but from the right side. Use animation painter to duplicate these animations for each of the shape. So that's all you had to do. This is the preview of what I made. So this is the final results. And if you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can download this template for absolutely free with no cost at all from the link in the description below, and you can also edit it by your own preference, and you can change the colors and icons and the text if you want. And so if you like the video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.